when I bring on my guest, David Ziskind, who is the founder of Mach Global Advisors. So the question I was going to ask is, how's AI going to change manufacturing?
It's a good question. It's interesting to see the push from an AI standpoint. I think we're seeing, especially on the corporate level, people saying we need to put AI in here. From an engineering and design side, we need AI. From a manufacturing side of things, we need AI. I think we're already starting from a pure manufacturing standpoint, that machine learning piece, that predictive analytics, to figure out, hey, can we predict when something's going to break before it breaks? Can we better predict, what demand might be? Can we better, see where some of those challenges may be? So I think I'll call it more of a maybe low tech application of AI, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
It's interesting because I hear some people talk about, AI synthesizing new flavors and new foods and ways to do things, which I think is an interesting point. But I think where we'll see that adoption and use is really on those things that can be used right now. How can you, while you're manufacturing, how can you make sure that a motor doesn't break down or a gearbox doesn't break or whatever the case may be? That to me is where there's the most power, quickest return and application, I would say, on AI in manufacturing.